Welcome back to another exciting Excel tutorial. In this video, we're going to explore how to use the VLOOKUP function to find values from another sheet. This is an incredibly useful technique when you're dealing with large datasets that are spread across multiple sheets. Let's dive in and see how it works. As a quick recap, VLOOKUP searches for a value in the first column of a table and returns a corresponding value from a specified column. This formula works the same way when you're working across different sheets. But instead of referencing a range on the same sheet, you'll reference a different sheet in the table array. Now, let's walk through a practical example. In this case, I have a table containing data about multiple assets, like asset codes, classes, descriptions, and dates of capitalization. However, you'll notice that there are many blank cells in the asset class description column. But don't worry, this is where the magic of VLOOKUP comes in. In another sheet, we have a table with the asset class and its corresponding description. What I want to do is have Excel automatically fill in the missing information in the blank cells based on the asset class number. Let me show you how. First, type in the formula equals VLOOKUP in the cell F6 of the second sheet. Then, select the asset class in cell D6 as your lookup value. Next, for the table array, where Excel will search for the data, head over to the third sheet and select the table range. You'll notice in the formula bar that we've already included the reference to sheet 3 before the table range. Make sure to fix the table references to avoid any errors when you drag the formula down later. The column index number here is 2 because we want the description, which is in the second column of the table. Now let's type 0 for exact match. Once we press enter, we get our first result land. How easy was that? Now, simply drag the formula down to fill in all the blank cells, and Excel will populate the missing asset descriptions across all the empty cells, just as they appear in the table on sheet 3. How cool is that? I hope you found this lesson helpful. It's a simple yet powerful way to fill in missing data across sheets. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next lesson.